Oh, my nose is itchy. It always itches after I do makeup and I don't understand why. Am I the only one? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a natural makeup look, and I started off this look with nude lipstick on, not my Morphe favorite favorite liquid lip by Morphe is called Vanity. I really love this color and I usually wear it like several times a week, but the nude shade that I started this makeup look off with is so nude and it blends in with my skin tone that I looked like I didn't have lips. And I wasn't really feeling that vibe because I want you to see my lips. So anyway, if I'm going out and about and I just want to wear natural makeup that doesn't take long to do and that will just be like super fast to put on when I don't have a lot of time, I won't wear this, I'll just wear chapstick. But I was kind of feeling the lipstick vibe today, so I just went ahead and put this on because it was right in front of me and it was either this or like Hot Shot Red, and I just wasn't vibing with yellow, red, and green. See how many problems I'm running into today? However, I really love how this eye makeup turned out. It's very natural and very, very pretty, and it was super easy to do. This makeup look literally, it took me longer than normal because I'm filming and I'm having to show you and talk about everything, but on a normal day where I'm sitting down and I don't have any cameras or any lights on, this would literally take me 10 minutes. So it's very fast, super natural, and easy for my natural and on-the-go type girls. This is for you. Just throw on some chapstick instead of pink lips. Make sure that you are subscribed and make sure the notification bell is clicked. Now let's get into it. For my brows, I've been using these two things. I have been using, my camera does not want to focus. I've been using this brow bar, which is a lighter color, for the front part of my brows, and then I've been using the NYX brow pencil on the other side of my brows to try to make them look as natural as possible. Boom. Sometimes I go back to it if I feel like I need to add more. Guys, I'm out. Oh no. I literally don't have another one on backup, so... Guys, the one time that I keep my brow routine in the video, this happens. Like, I just don't even know. Like, look, it's not, well, it is, but I have to go to Target today anyway, so I'll go pick up another one, but I am gonna have to use the Benefit one that I have, which I don't really like this one because I don't like how thick it is. I like the really skinny ones because I feel like you can control it more, but for today, I will make this work. So I'm going to use this part, the skinniest part of it, and I'm literally just brushing over top of my brows in the shape that they are in. And then if I do it too dark on the tail end, I just wipe over. And that's literally how I fade out the tail. I feel like doing that gives it a natural fade. Look, you can play connect the dots on my face. That's how many zits I have right now. Like, what is going on? It always looks super crazy when you have dark brows and no other makeup on. It, like this, yep. I'm going in with the Pure Be Your Selfie. Okay, I don't have any clean eye brushes. This tutorial is going great so far. I think eyeshadow palettes that have mirrors are wonderful. Now I'm taking the shade Natural. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing that you got for Christmas was. I am dying to know. what y'all got for Christmas. I want to know. Leave in the comments like your favorite item out of everything that you got. After Christmas is over, I'm like, I remember things that I should have asked for. And I'm like, dang it, I should have asked for the James Charles palette. I should have asked for those shoes that I've been wanting. Anybody else? Do you do that? Now I'm going in with Free. That shadow's really not doing much for me. Ah, that shadow did not even do anything. Like, what is going on? Okay, so that swatched really well, but why is it not going on very well? There's a lot of powder fallout on the palette when you swatch these shadows. It's not even doing anything. Let's pack on the color first. Let's pack on my glitter shade that I'm wanting. I'm gonna use it in the shade Charming. Okay, not very pigmented, but it's pretty. My face is a mess, so I'm really glad that I did my eyes first, but can you guys see this? Look at that. It's just crumbling, literally. Did you see that? I love the color scheme. I just do not appreciate all of this fallout. I'm gonna take some witch hazel on my exfoliating and wipe my face down with this because it takes away all the makeup and it feels amazing and it's really good for your skin. Going in with the Ordinary. I love spraying this all over my face because it leaves a little hint of a glow. I feel like the liquid in here leaves me looking a little dewy. My skin is just breaking out so bad recently and I'm really not sure why. Almost out of this, but I love this stuff. I need to go pick up more. Start Shape Tape. All the places that the foundation spongy doesn't reach. I mean, look at that. Seriously, like, not even perfect and not even 100% better, but so much better. Muy bien. I don't know if that means thank you or not, but we're going with it. My new favorite thing to do is to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer and then to use my big bronzer brush and just diffuse it out to just warm it up because it slims down my face, but it gives me color and it bronzes me up, and that is what I love. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I've been doing literally the past couple months now. It's just been that long since I've done a makeup tutorial and you guys just don't know yet. I think I like doing this just because this brush makes it so much easier and faster and it blends it out so well. That's why I've been doing it, because I'm so short on time all the time. And this saves me so much time. See how many pounds that took off my face? This has been my favorite bronzer since high school. It's the Milani Baked Bronzer, and I love warming up my face with it. It's so shimmery and pretty. I love it. I'm like the bronzer queen. I swear, if like one day I make it big time, my first collaboration, I want it to be with a bronzer company. I don't know. I want to come out with my own bronzer and my own contour kit. Like, that's probably the very first thing I would ever create if I was ever lucky enough and fortunate enough to be able to come out with my own like collaboration and product. I would make a contour kit with like a bronzer in it. Like this is just my jam. That's what I would do. I'm totally ignoring my eyes right now because I'm just all about the face. So I'm gonna go in with the Pretty Vulgar blush and just add a little bit of color to my face. If you ever add too much blush, which I tend to do a lot, now I look like a clown. So if you ever do that, just use your beauty blender that you use with your foundation and tap. Don't put any extra product because you can't mix liquid with powder. That would be awful. But just pat lightly. And it tones it down a little bit. Like, I always go overboard, but I like to be extra, so I'm gonna clean up where some of that loose glitter was just all over the place. It doesn't have any extra product, it's just whatever was on the brush. I really like this natural eyeshadow. Like, this is kind of my groove right now. You have to be careful with this mascara because there's so much product in the tube that your eyelashes can get clumpy very fast. But I do love this mascara because it lasts all day. I'm not adding falsies because I'm keeping this a natural, just on-the-go makeup look. But if you want to take it up a notch, just pop on some lashes and use a different eyeshadow palette to add a darker brown in the corner. Like, you could easily wear this all day to work and then turn this into a nighttime look. Maybe I should have added some lower eyeshadow. I didn't really think about it. To get some of these mascara dots off, I'm just going to use the brush that has no extra product. So to keep this look natural, I'm just going to use a nude lipstick. This is by MAC and it is called Cream Sheen How Tropical. I'm really not sure why it has two names, but now my lips kind of like disappear into my face and you just don't even know that I have lips. Maybe I don't like this. My favorite highlighter in the world. Oh look, there's more dots on my face. Let's just highlight them and make them pop out even more. Why not? Let's make my big nose look even bigger by highlighting it because I don't feel like contouring it today. I really don't think that I like my lips. Like, it doesn't even look like I have lips on. Maybe I should have done that color. I'm using some Brow Gal to bush up my eyebrows a little bit. We're finished. This is my all natural, don't have any lips on the go look. I wanted to create something that is just like literally super easy. You sit down, you've got 10 minutes to get ready, but you still want to look decent, you want to look good, and I feel like I look good, but I have minimal makeup on, so this is for all of my girls who just love to look natural. I think that this eyeshadow would be really pretty for brides that want to wear minimal makeup, but they want to be able to see some kind of color on their face. So this palette, I really, really do like it. Just this shade right here called Free, that one really disappointed me because it just did not show up on the eyes, but when I swatch it, it shows up pretty pigmented, but on the brush and applying it to the eyes, it just didn't work. But I did like the glitter shade for sure. It has a lot of powder fallout, but that's okay. As long as you are doing this before you do your face makeup, you will be just fine. But I just wanted to play with the new palette because I've only been playing with this literally ever since I got it. I think it was in the November BoxyCharm, and I haven't put it down since I got it because it's just that awesome. Like, I go back and forth. One day I'm wearing these two, and then the next day I'm wearing, see, doing this backwards in the camera is confusing. These two. I like these two for like that pink look, so I just don't think that this is good. This is just not working. I mean, my natural lips are a lot better than that. Let's do this. Honestly, if I was just doing a natural look, I would literally just wear chapstick. But because this is YouTube and this is also going on my Instagram, we're just going to do color. Every time I do a liquid lip, I overline because I want to have bigger lips. So it went from being natural to not being natural, but you know, we're going to be extra natural. Natural extra. Natural with an extra touch. That's what we will call this look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did love it, then please give it a big thumbs up for me. I'd really appreciate it, and it lets me know that you like these types of videos, so that way I can make more for you. Make sure that subscribe button is clicked and the notification bell is clicked. You guys know the drill. Share this video with your friends, and as always, I love you. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.